An object is 4,900 feet above the ground. You might be thinking, is it like floating in space? Class, your x-axis measures what?
Time.
Measured in? Everyone say label. So we're labeling. So essentially this axis is measuring t for time. And then this one is measuring? Height measured in feet. Alright, so something is 4,900 feet in the air. The object falls, so I don't know. I kind of want to show you the parabola, how it kind of even comes over here, doesn't it? The object's fall and its height is given by the quadratic function h of t, capital letter, so I don't confuse my plus signs, negative 16t squared plus 4,900. The height of the object above the ground is in feet and time is in seconds. So we labeled it determine when the object hits the ground. Talk to your partner about 20 seconds. What does the word when mean? Hint, hint, variable. And what does it mean when it hits the ground? Variable and a number. Hint, hint. Go. So class, determine when. What variable is that? That's t. What is t equal to? When the object hits the ground. What does it mean when the object hits the ground? What's 0? The height is 0. Put your finger where we should put 0. There. 0 equals negative 16t squared plus 4,900. Well, I just need to solve for t. Class, can I do the quadratic formula?
No.
I have a value and a c value. Do you think I want to use the quadratic formula? No. I have an a and a c value, I'm going to use the square root method. It's okay if you use the quadratic formula and have that big old thing and you make mistakes, that's okay. So I have negative 4,900 equals negative 16t squared. Divide by negative 16. T squared. When you divide that, someone check for me. I got 306.25. And if I take the square root, I get plus or minus 17.5 equals t. And time is only measured in what? Positive time, so you're going to reject the negative. So the object hits the ground after 17.5 seconds. Now, I could revise the picture now. I recognize that this is 17.5. I think a better picture would have been that object is like, instead of like throwing it up in the air and then down, I think it's just kind of like you just pushed it off the roof, because that's a positive 17.5 and a negative 17.5. Does that make sense? But at least it gave us a visual. So in this problem, read it, figure out what you're solving for, find those clues, substitute it, and then solve it.